Pre-installation is the process in which hardware such as hinges, door closers, exit devices, locks, electrified hardware, and flat goods are installed onto the doors prior to shipping to the job site. What are some of the benefits to using LaForce's pre-installation? No headaches associated with incorrect door preps. Issues are resolved before doors are shipped to the site. No searching for lost or misplaced hardware. No setting up hardware rooms or keeping track of inventory. No distributing hardware to each opening. And no dumpsters overflowing with packaging materials on the job site. So, how does the pre-installation process work? LaForce pre-installers are factory trained with an average of 15 years experience. After each door is staged with the scheduled hardware, the pre-installation begins. Our installers will take care of all the labeling, measuring, connecting, and testing of the hardware, including electrified hardware, to ensure quality and accuracy prior to the doors being shipped. We can coordinate to recycle all pallets, spacer blocks, and packaging materials back to our shop, whereas at most job sites, the packaging would go into the dumpster. The doors are then carefully stacked with coated styrofoam spacers, corner guards, and shrink-wrapped to avoid any damage. LaForce can package the doors per floor or per project on each skid. We then attach the directions, strike plates, screws, and any extra hardware to the corresponding door, making it easy for delivery, organization, and on-site installation. For safety and quality reasons, we package a maximum of 8 to 10 doors per skid. Once on the job site, our custom engineered skids can be accessed from all 4 sides by a forklift or pallet jack, making the delivery of the doors from the truck to the appropriate openings quick and easy. After a twist of 12 screws, your door is hung in a matter of minutes. With just 2 more twists, the strike plate is installed and the installation is complete. No more running back and forth to the hardware room, no more headaches associated with incorrect door preps, and no more missing or lost hardware. By having most of the hardware already attached to each door upon arrival, you can be confident that deadlines will be met and the building will be secured quickly. The entire process dramatically cuts down on time and allows for an efficient, hassle-free job site installation.